In this video, we are at ARTE Museum New York, located at Chelsea Piers in New York City. Today, we're taking you along for the full experience. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to Metro Snippets. Today we're visiting ARTE Museum New York. It's located at Chelsea Piers in Manhattan. I've heard great things about this immersive art experience. One convenient thing is that Chelsea Piers has its own parking garage. So, if you're visiting with your family, parking won't be an issue. Another great feature is that ARTE Museum provides free lockers for visitors. You can safely store your bags and enjoy the experience without carrying anything around. The first exhibit was Waterfall Infinite, and it was incredible. It truly felt like stepping into another world, surrounded by endless waterfalls. After that, we moved to the second exhibit, Flower. As soon as we entered, it was flowers everywhere. The walls were interactive and there was a space filled with butterflies. There were multiple rooms with different floral displays. At the time of recording, tickets cost $45 for general admission and $50 if you include the ARTE Café. They also offer discounted tickets for New York and New Jersey residents, children's, group of more than 5, seniors, military members, individuals with disabilities, and first responders. So, if you fall into these categories, don't forget to bring your ID. I also found a room with a piano. Although I can't really play, I still give it a try. Next, we visited the third exhibit, Wave, which was also a very great experience. There are about 10 exhibits in ARTE Museum New York. Each exhibit offers something different, and some rooms even feature multiple exhibits. The fourth exhibit was Beach, and this one really stood out. It felt like being underwater. It's the kind of a place where you can slow down, take your time, and just get lost in the atmosphere. Then we moved on to the fifth exhibit, Forest, where you can explore a mystical sacred forest filled with unique spirit characters. Each one had its own theme, which made it really interesting. The sixth exhibit was Star, and it was absolutely beautiful. The paper art combined with synchronized lights and music created a stunning visual experience. Next was the seventh exhibit, Sun. To be honest, I didn't fully understand this one. I might have missed something. If you've been here or plan to visit, let me know what you think about it. The eighth exhibit was Moon, which is a great spot for photos, especially with the rabbit display. Right next to it, there's an interactive space where you can color mystical animals and your artwork appears on a large screen for everyone to see. After that, we explored the ninth exhibit, Tornado, which was a unique and enjoyable experience as well. Finally, we reached the 10th exhibit, Garden, which includes a few additional displays. We spent some extra time here just taking everything in. The synchronized music, lighting, and visuals made it a truly memorable experience. My partner and I both enjoy visiting museums. We love exploring different places and learning new things. If you'd like to see more digital art experiences, museums, or specific exhibitions, let me know. I'll try to feature them in future videos. After that, we headed toward the ARTE Cafe. But since our ticket didn't include excess, we skipped it and made our way to the gift shop. And with that, our experience came to an end. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, leaving a comment, and liking this video. I truly appreciate all your support. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.